Watch this video to learn how to access sales data statistics from the VMS platform. After logging in, you'll have visibility to your sales overview and analysis on the initial dashboard. Down here, you can see a ranking of how each machine is doing and a ranking about the most successful products in your machine. On the left, you will see a handful of menus. Under Sales Data Statistics, you can see the sales summary report for the designated window of time you want. We're viewing this month's sales right now. You can switch the view to annual as well. Here is the transaction information for the year. Each page you go to will be added as a tab up here. The Product Detail Statistics page is where you can gather sales information about individual products over a certain period of time. In this example, we are looking at sales for the month of June. These columns show the amount of each product sold and the amount of money earned from the sale of each product. The Machine Sales Statistics menu compares sales information for each machine. See your best and worst performing machines as well as total orders and revenue for each machine.